This is a common joint session for class 8th and 9th, that is Introduction to Physics. Before we start introduction, we should know what is science. We have been studying science for so many years. Right from class 1 we have been studying science. But what is science? Science, it is the study of living or non-living objects. Well, actually this science is based on experimentation and observations. Suppose we are studying of living objects, we need experiment. We do experiments, and because of this experiment we get observation, and due to observation we get results. And if we study of non-living objects, same is the case in the non-living objects. By performing experiments we get observation, and after observation we get results. If we talk of a science is derived from the Latin word scientia. This scientia, it means to know, or we say knowledge. In Sanskrit or Hindi we write science as Vijnan. Now if we talk about science is mainly divided into two branches, that is physical science, and the second one is living or biological science. Our physical science, it includes physics, chemistry, astrophysics, etc. And whereas this biological science, it includes botany, zoology, etc. We are dealing with physics, so we'll read about physical science. If we talk about physical science is the study of non-living objects or matter. Now let's move on to physics. This physics in simple words we say physics is a study of nature and its phenomena. The study of nature and its phenomena is termed as physics. In other words, we can say physics is a study of an object, its behavior, its properties, and how do it acts under the effect of force, etc. This physics, this is also derived from the Latin word fusus. This fusus means nature. and in Sanskrit or Hindi we write it as Bhautiki, which also means nature. This physics has number of branches. If we talk about the branches of physics, physics also has been evolved with time. If we talk about 16th century or 17th century, we were having less provisions, we were having less technology, and if we talk about this 21st century, we are having number of provisions, number of instruments for performing the experiments and all. So physics also evolved with the change of time. If we talk about the older physics, we called it as classical physics. Classical physics is a physics that was in 16th century or 17th century during the time of Newton. And if we talk about modern physics, we call it as modern physics or quantum physics. This quantum physics came in 18th or 19th, you can say 19th century. Physics and its branches. On the basis of particles, physics is broadly categorized as classical, mesoscopic, and the other one is quantum physics. This classical physics, it deals with the particles of finite size, whereas this quantum physics deals with microscopic particles. Whereas mesoscopic physics, particles lie in between classical and quantum physics. In mesoscopic physics, the size of the particles lies in between the classical size and the quantum size. This classical physics particles of finite size, or we can say particles at terrestrial scale. Means the particles that can be seen. And the father of classical physics is Isaac Newton. So this physics, classical physics, is also called as Newtonian physics. Whereas quantum or modern physics deals with microscopic particles, means the particles that can't be seen with naked eye. And the father of modern physics is Albert Einstein. We all know about Albert Einstein. We are familiar with Albert Einstein. He got Nobel Prize for theory of relativity. The next thing is we are having theory law. Now what is theory? We can say theory is the study that we get from the experimentation and observation. Now what is law? When this theory is accepted by all, it becomes law. We know about physical laws. These physical laws, they are derived from theory itself. Now other branches of physics, we have number of branches of physics. Let's start. This is mechanics. Mechanics deal with the study of motion of an object. Second, optics. The study of light is called as optics. Optics is again divided into two: ray optics and wave optics. Ray optics means particle nature, and this is wave nature of light. Next, nuclear physics deals with the nucleus of an atom. We are known to this nuclear bomb and all. Next, atomic physics deals with the atom. Next, thermodynamics, study of heat. Electromagnetism, study of charges in motion. Next, this is higher energy physics. Quantum physics we discussed. Classical physics we discussed. We have statistical physics. We have mathematical physics. We have electronics, and next is electrostatic physics. We have astrophysics. We have number of branches of physics.